This color it's a frozen color.
Shut up, Tom.
BMW M3 in this frozen purpley color. Look at those pipes, bro. They're freaking green. They're like alien ooze green. Ectoplasm. We're gonna protect this paint because this paint is obviously really special. It comes from BMW like this, so it's really rare. Costs a lot of money, so we want to make sure it looks and stays looking this good for as long as he owns it. So we're gonna be doing the bumper from the front all the way to the back. We're gonna be using our Satin Guard, so it's gonna keep the same finish, the same satin sheen that you see, but we're gonna be doing gloss for certain pieces. The roof is gloss, that way you maintain that gloss carbon fiber look, but everything else will be satin, so it's gonna look really good once we're done with it.
Have you seen this tag? I think they do that on the Frozen.
Oh, it's called Frozen Dark Blue the Second. Frozen Dark Blue the Second. The fender's not wrapped yet. The bumper is laid on. We're still gonna touch it up to make it look a lot cleaner because it's wet and everything. I want to show you this because look at the fender and look at the bumper. Notice how the color is identical. And that's the cool thing about Satin Guard, right, Dustin?
For sure.
Dustin, can you make installing Clearbra look as exciting as much as possible?
You want the depressing real world life? This is what you'll get. There's people that love this. I don't know.
Like you.
Like me.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's really cool to see matte colors being offered as factory options, even if they're a little higher maintained compared to gloss ones, but with the right Clearbra, it can definitely make it easier. There's a few different Satin PPF brands out there, but only one looks like this. Most of them just gray out the color of the car, making it look washed out, so you lose out on the color you paid for. Satin Guard doesn't have that problem, and actually enhances it because you get this really cool translucent finish on top. Gives the paint a little bit more depth than before while protecting it. The paint almost looks like it's glowing. One really cool benefit of doing Satin PPF over gloss is how it accents body lines on cars. Like the back fenders are almost impossible to overlook now that it's even more aggressive than before. Guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. You missed it, bro. You weren't even close. You didn't even cover the left. Okay, it's okay. We will see you next time.